Good morning, student. Welcome back to our math session. Today we see the information about angles. Okay, so what is mean by angles? So when two rays meet at a point is called angle. So suppose see this is starting point. This ray go this side. Okay, ray has a this starting point but no end point. This ray and this is second ray. Okay, so these two ray meet at a point. This is point, meet point, then angle is formed. So this type of figure is formed is called angle. Okay, so the point where ray meet is called vertex. See here, this point is called, यहाँ पे these two rays are meet, is this point is called vertex. Okay, then and the ray are called arms. These are the two arms of the angle. Okay, this one arm and second arm. Then the angle formed at O is written as, suppose we write the name of this angle. This is P Q and this is R. Okay, we write the name PQR, angle PQR. So this is vertex. Okay, here this is vertex, angle is formed. This angle is formed. This type of, okay, this angle is formed is called vertex. Okay, and these are the two arms of the angle, and we write the symbol this type of to show the, this is symbol to write the name of the angle. So what is the name of this angle? So we take first P, then this Q and R, and symbol write this, means write P angle PQR, or you have to start from here also, from this ray, angle RQP. But remember this, जो भी एंगल है वो कहाँ पे आना चाहिए? इन मिड पॉइंट. सी हियर, दिस इज मिड पॉइंट. क्यू कहाँ पे आया है? यहाँ पे वी राइट द नेम PQR, क्यू एज अ मिड पॉइंट. अगेन, और आप ऐसा भी लिख सकते हो RQP, बट रिमेंबर दिस Q एज अ मिडल नेम. Okay, you use your capital letters to indicate or the name, but where angle is formed, this letter you have to write the middle. Okay, between आना चाहिए दोनों के. So PQR. Suppose your angle is, suppose this type of angle. Okay, these are the two rays. This is name. We write the name A, B, C. Okay, this is vertex. The angle is formed. So how to write the name? So you have to write the name angle A, B, C. See, B is the midpoint because here angle is formed, or this is vertex. Or how to write? C angle. So this is sign. Okay, symbol. C, B, A. Again, C, B is a midpoint. Okay, in this way we write the name of angle. Okay, now measuring of the angle. How to measure? See here. Now how to measure the angle? So the angle between the two arms joining the point is called is measured in degree. Okay, so degree is the unit to measure an angle. Okay, suppose this is the angle, so you have to find the measurement of this angle. Okay, how much degree? So here we use this type of protector. Okay, this is called a protector. This is semi circle device. Okay, so see here in same this protector. So we see in your textbook. Okay, see, this is protector. You have to find in your compass box. See here, this protector is given. Okay, so here there is an inner scale and outer scale. See here, this is inner scale. Okay, एंड दिस इज आउटर स्केल. जो बाहर की साइड है उसको बोलेंगे आउटर स्केल एंड अंदर की साइड है उसको क्या बोलेंगे इनर स्केल. ओके, बोथ हैविंग मेजरमेंट फ्रॉम 0 to 180. दिस इज सेमी सर्कल. सो दिस इज सेमी सर्कल मेजरमेंट इज 180 and full circle or complete circle how much degree 360 and this is semicircle, so this is 180, so 180 degree. So see here the inner scale start from here 0 to 180, outer scale start from left side to right side 0 to 180. Okay, then here this baseline, this line is called as baseline. Okay, and the midpoint of this baseline is called center. This is center. So see here, main important part of this protector is the inner scale, outer scale, and this is baseline and this is center point. Okay, now we see how to measure the angle. Okay, see in your textbook, suppose this type of angle is given. Now you have to measure the angle ABC. So this is your protector, you have to use the protector. Then here is vertex, this is vertex B. Okay, so you have to put the protector on vertex B. This is center point and this baseline you have to put on line segment. Okay, see this is line segment. तो आपको क्या करना है, दिस सेंटर पॉइंट को कहाँ पे रखना है, ऑन पॉइंट बी. ओके, यहाँ पे, और दे बेस लाइन है इसको इसके साथ मैच करना है. ओके, सो यू हैव टू पुट दी पॉइंट on B and baseline on line segment. Okay, now you have to see what is the measurement of this angle. So you have to see here, this angle start from here, so we take here inner scale. Okay, see this type of open curve कौन से side है, right hand side. So we have to take we put the we measure from 0. Okay, so inner scale देखना है आपको यहाँ पे. See 0, 10, 20, 30 and this is 40. But ये 40 से भी ऊपर है. So you have to increase the line. Okay, आपकी लाइन इसको बढ़ा देना है. ओके, सो फर्स्ट यू हैव टू इंक्रीज दिस लाइन, इसको बीक कर दो थोड़ा. Okay, now you have to put the center point on a B and baseline on a line segment. Then you have to measure. See here. Okay, so here we get 40. Okay, after that 40 here are a small line. Okay, see here 41, 42, 43 and this is 44. So here we make a mark and this is 45. So this big line means 45. Again 46, 47, 48, 49 and this is 50. So what is the measurement of this angle? This is 44 degree. Okay, in this way we measure a angle. Suppose again we take one more example from your textbook. Okay, here angles are given. Okay, here I already write the name, but again we measure the angle. See, this is your protector. You have to put the, this is Q point. You have to put the your protector or a center point and baseline on this line segment. Okay, this B, Q and this is baseline. Now you have to measure. See, this is 40. Okay, after 40, 41 and this is, here is the point, that is 42. See here 42. So measurement of this angle is 42 degree. Again see, this is a 90 degree. How to find? So suppose this is your center point, B is a vertex. So vertex के ऊपर आपको क्या रखना है, center point, and वो baseline is on line segment. So you have to put. Okay, and then see here, this is straight line, यहाँ पे आएगी. ओके, सो यहाँ सपोज यू हैव टू इंक्रीज, यहाँ पे आप लाइन इंक्रीज करेंगे तो आपको क्लियर आइडिया आ जाएगी. सो वी गेट हियर 90 डिग्री एंगल. ओके, दिस इज अगेन सी हियर एफ नंबर. ओके, सी दिस इज अगेन, दिस इज सेंटर पॉइंट, दिस इज लाइन सेगमेंट. ओके, सो सी दिस इज center point. This is line segment. You have to put your protector. Okay, then see here. Here is, this is small line, so you have to increase the line. Okay, we increase this line. Then now again match protector and center point. See, यहाँ पे you have to always see the inner line. Okay, यहाँ पे आपको इनर लाइन ही देखनी है. सो इनर स्केल is this is 150 and this line on a 55. See 150 के बाद कितने हैं? This middle line is 55, then 160. So what is the value of this angle? 155 degree. Okay, see here हमने क्या किया? B पे ऊपर सेंटर रखा. This baseline on a line segment. Okay, then you have to match. See this line कहाँ पे आ रही है line? This is 150. You have to always see inner scale. Okay, 150 के बाद this middle line means 5. 155. Then 160. So 150 और 160 के बीच में number है. This is big line means 5. So we get the answer 155. So in this way you have to measure all these angles from exercise 6.1. So this is your today's homework. Okay, and draw a 4 different angle with the ruler and measure with the protector. So you have to draw any angles, okay, by using scale. Suppose you have to draw this type of angle in your notebook. Okay, आपको draw करना है. By using first you have to ruler. You have to draw any types of angle and measure the length of this angle. Okay, this is your second question. Okay, now you understand how to measure the angle. Okay, so always use inner scale. Outer scale हम कब use करोगे? Suppose angle, this angle on which side? Right hand side. Suppose your angle is this type. Okay, and their vertex this here. So in this way in this type of angle you have to use outer scale. ये कौन से साइड में है? लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. तो इस टाइप में हम क्या यूज़ करते हैं? आउटर स्केल. बट जो एग्जाम्पल आपको दिए वो सब कौन से? इनर स्केल के. सो यू हैव टू ऑलवेज see the inner scale on a protector. Okay, so today's homework you have to finish the question number exercise 6.1 in your notebook. Okay, so first question you have to solve in your textbook only, and second question you have to write in your notebook, and write this underline contain angle, what is mean by angle, vertex and arc in your notebook. This is your today's homework. Thank you.